The Three Ducks Design Global Futures Design Lab has called on us again for help. The city is thriving. And since the landmark we designed last week was so popular, Papertown's downtown district is now bustling with visitors. New businesses are popping up daily. And the Urban Planning Committee has asked us to design a highway to help increase traffic flow. Having a highway is a great way to prevent traffic, but there are also downsides. Besides causing air and noise pollution, we all know that highways can be pretty unseemly, ruining the natural landscape. We did some research, and it gets even worse. In the United States alone, more than 1 million animals are killed every day by motor vehicles. And over 1.2 million accidents are caused every year by deer alone. In our community, we think that one accident is one too many. Preventing unintended harm to people and animals is of utmost importance. So we decided to do some real thinking about the design of our highway with preservation of the natural landscape, animal, and human life in mind. We decided that an animal bridge was the perfect solution for our situation. Now it's time to really dig into engineering and come up with the perfect bridge design. You can access this activity at www.threeducksdesign.com. Look for the STEM show, episode number 12, Building Bridges.